I'm currently in Westfield with Miss Moles. Can you hear that foghorn? Sometimes I call Ollie foghorn leghorn when he's when he's shouting, but this is a different type of foghorn.
I think it might be a blender.
Really? I think it's over here. Go on, Molly.
Yeah, it's a blender.
It's a blender.
Yeah. Stop. What you
Oh
gonna
yeah,
walk
it
into
is a
the sign?
blender. Oh okay, is that a smoothie shop?
Yeah.
I thought it was a boat in Westfield. Tell them the story about. So Ollie used to work in a juice company, and yeah.
Yeah, it's a smoothie bar.
We're
and
not
it's
really
just, like,
going to tell you who.
where.
But
Well, they'd ask you to put like the most like ugly fruit in, the stuff that had gone a bit like. Basically, you would be lucky to get fresh fruit, and it
Ollie
has
was like
loads
this-
of little fruit flies in it in the stock room. And
so
it's
Ollie would have to
disgusting.
like wipe them off. His manager told him to wipe them off, and he was like, "This banana's black," and he was like, "I don't want to put this in the blender."
And they told me to anyway.
And they told him to anyway. So I was like, "Ugh, I'm never having a smoothie again."